Hi, I'm Daniel Piatek. Welcome today. So I am going to be starting out something, exploring something new here on my YouTube channel, and I want to invite you along for the ride. So the work that I do is I work with people most often over an extended period of time to help them to embody into their day-to-day lived material existence what I call the sovereign self, the true nature, the authentic self, the spark of the divine that they are, and to begin to live the life that they actually came here to live. And in that work, it's highly guided by my intuition. And in those sessions, there are times when I use a particular methodology, a particular technique, which has to do with using my body and my voice to send frequency to them. And the purpose of this, I've been told, is to break apart complexes of energy that are stuck in them that otherwise would be very difficult to pull apart. So I've been guided and I've been fighting, and I finally kind of following the example of Sand from Santero, who I love to watch. Um, but let's just start doing this and see what happens, because like everything with my work, once I tune in, start following my intuition, it finds its way. I'm used to having somebody there on the other end, so this is going to be interesting. So thank you for showing up, being there on the other end, even though it's not while I'm here doing it live. I'm going to trust that we are tuning into the same space. I'm doing it now, you're doing it when you're doing it, and the energy that will come forth will be there to support you and help you. So I'm going to say a little bit about this just so you know what's going to happen, and then I'm going to pause for a second and then just allow sounds to come out of my body, my mouth. So what I'm going to ask you to do is be in a place where you don't have to do anything else. Please do not do this while you are, please do not listen to this while you are doing something else, particularly while you're driving. Don't do it. Do it someplace where you can just sit down and listen and let the sounds come in. The vocalizations are not meant to be pretty, and often they're not pretty. The purpose of them is to break through energy from the past that lives in your body, that is in a lock, that's locked into the frequencies of this sphere in such a way that they're very difficult to pull apart. And so the energy that comes through in the sound waves is meant to get in there and break them apart so that you can let that go. You can begin to heal, release yourself from that old stuck energy of the past. So as you're listening, just allow the energy to do whatever it's going to do in your body. You may feel something, you may not feel something. Please, I'm going to ask you to just trust that whatever happens for you is perfect. If you should find that it brings up emotion, brings up energy that starts to move in your body, what there is to do is basically nothing. And the way you do nothing is that you put yourself in the seat of the observer, noticing what's happening. So noticing, oh my gosh, these tears are coming out. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so much anger. Oh my gosh, I just feel like something just went. Be the one who notices, be the observer, just curiously going, oh wow, that's interesting. And just let it happen. If it releases strong emotion during the session or afterwards, please remember that it's something from the past which has been stuck in your body, which is now being released. And the only thing to do is let it go. Let it go. Be the observer, let it move through your body. Okay, so let's jump in. Get yourself comfortable. Turn the volume up to something that is, the sounds probably won't be any louder than this, but yeah, so here we go. And what else is there to say? So the way that I do this, just I'm being told to explain this to you briefly. So this was introduced to me back in 2020, beginning 2020, when first lockdowns, COVID. I was locked down. I was in Vietnam. Went for 7 days, ended up being 7 months by the time I was done because of COVID. And at the beginning of that time, these energies came to me in my meditation and asked if they could use me as a conduit for healing energies. And so I said, okay, fine, let's try this out. So I tried it out on myself, and the energy was so intense. I couldn't really do it very long without being really deeply affected. And I just kept doing it for a while until my body could handle it. And I was realizing, yeah, there's something to this stuff. I am aware supposedly of where this energy comes from, and but that it's designed for the job of breaking up stuckness. And so after I got comfortable with it, I was comfortable using it. I was aware that it was doing work. It was having an effect on me and I could see it. Then I started to use it slowly with clients. And I only use it when it feels like it's the time is right. Again, my work is intuitively led. So, okay, that seems good. I would love to hear your comments after this because I'm going to be finding my way with how to use this platform to use these vibrations and see what is happening. And your feedback, your being in this with me is really important. It's really critical. So please share with me how this is for you in the comments below. So get yourself comfortable. Eyes open, eyes closed, however you want. Open and close you as you wish. Just take a deep breath. Come on inside. And in just a second, I'm just going to start making some sound. Oh, Now I invite you to see yourself standing below a waterfall, a full flow of water, but that feels gentle and supportive. This flow of liquid light. Light but viscous. Feel it running over you, feel it running through you. Rinsing the body, nourishing the body. My body fills with and absorbs pure love. Beautiful. So that concludes our session for today. Feel free to stay here as long as you like. I invite you to like the video if you found this helpful. Please comment. Please let me know what your experience has been. I will be checking them and be happy to respond. And let's co-create this time together. Also, feel free to share this with someone you think would appreciate this. So for now, take good care, and I look forward to seeing you back here again soon. Okay, bye for now.